Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalatu wassalamu ala rasulihil kareem. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. First of all, I want to apologize for that delay in the classes. I understand that maybe you are not feeling well for this delay, but I must apologize and please accept my apology. I was busy. Even my other classes were disturbed. Only the class Arabul Quran was going on, but even Arabul Quran was not on regular basis. It was getting delay also. Sometime I was taking, sometime I was not taking. So really, last 2.5 and 3 months were slightly tough for me. So first of all, accept my apology. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive me for this shortcoming. So la in shakartum la azidannakum rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri. Alhamdulillah, you all have covered almost the maximum point for Arabic language. Now today we are going to discuss very important thing. What today we'll learn, it is actually impacting on your translation, on your understanding about the meanings. It will not directly impact the grammar itself, the grammatical changes. Yes, but from all what we'll see today, there are 2 points which grammatically they have some specific positions, which I'll tell you in the next lecture. But today we'll see about the nouns. Today our study is totally based on the noun. In normal, when you are going to study Arabic language in the colleges or in the universities and the schools, wherever they are teaching, normally they are keeping this chart, what we are going to see today, they are keeping it in the beginnings. And really, it is in the beginning, it's very tough to grab these things. So we are going to see what's happening. So we are today studying types of noun. Types of noun, yes, there are two main types of noun. One we call jamid, and other we call, so jamid, it has two different types. One is called ismu zat. Zat we say like book, or jabal. Jabal, it is a mountain. Book, it is kitab in Arabic language. So these are zat. These things are called zat. So like these, the farasun, it's a horse. Tittun, it's cat. These are called what? Zat. So there are two types of noun. One, we call it the name of real things which are not extracted from something, like kittun and jabalun, ardun, samaun. They are not extracted. They are actually the real names. So when I say you kittun, it means what? Cat. If you know the meaning, you know what I'm talking about. It is cat. It cannot be anything else. Kittun, jabalun. Okay, there is only one jabal. Jabal means there is mountain. I'm talking about mountain. So jamid, actually jamid, it means solid in normal English language. Solid, anything which is solid, which cannot be broken down. It's called jamid. So ismu ma'na. Next is ismu ma'na. Any noun which has a meaning. Now, jabal, kitab, qittun, they have meaning, but they are the names of something. Something, zat. Zat is called my zat. I'm human being. This is my zat. Okay. Ismu ma'na. Like knowledge. Ilmun. Ilmun. Yes. Now, ilmun, if you want to know, you need to know the meaning. And normally, the ismu ma'na things are which you will feel, or which are the actions. It will relate to the action. This is called verbal noun. So this is the same thing which is called al-masdar. So it is also called al-masdar, verbal noun. So from this ismu ma'na, there are some things are generated. It is called mushtaq, derived, driven from some. Okay, so from ismu zat, nothing is driven. Topic closed. Like kittun, jabalun, kitabun. Nothing is driven from it. It's fixed. But al-masdar, verbal noun, from there, yes, there are some things are driven. Some nouns are driven. It is called mushtaq in Arabic language. So we are going to study about mushtaq. In Arabic, there are 8 types. Okay, we are going to see. So who want to participate, please raise their hands. Okay, Aisha Dania, Shumaila, as usual, Wazala Yasmin, Diba Farid. MashaAllah, the names are as they were. There is no change. Okay, no problem. Okay, so Diba, can you read the first name of noun?
Yes, sir. Sir, Ismul Fa'il.
Ismul Fa'il. Very good. Aisha Dania, can you read the next one?
Ismul Maf'ul.
Please, can you be loud?
Ismul Maf'ul.
Ismul Maf'ul. Okay, good. Now, the first one, Ismul Fa'il. The second one is Ismul Maf'ul. Now, you already studied about Fa'il and Maf'ul. But keep in mind, this is the name of noun. It does not mean that Ismul Fa'il will be fa'il every time in the sentence. No. It is just to know the meaning. Ismul Fa'il. It means that noun will have the characteristics of fa'il. And if we say Ismul Maf'ul, it means that noun is having a characteristics of Maf'ul. So I hope the people I unmuted, they know what is fa'il and Maf'ul. Right, Diba?
Yes, sir.
What is fa'il?
Sir, fa'il is in marfu condition and it is a doer of the
Very
work.
good. The fa'il
Yes.
will be in Arabic language marfu. It can be majroor in some cases. It can be mansoob. That is something different. But in verbal sentences, okay, Diba?
Yes, sir.
In verbal sentences, fa'il will always be marfu and maf'ul will always be mansoob. So, if you want to tell me in the definition of fa'il in the English language, what is fa'il?
Sir, it is a doer of an action.
Very good. It is a doer of action. And maf'ul?
Sir, the on which the action is being done is called
Yes,
maf'ul.
on which the action is being done. Now, when we say ismul fa'il, it means, please keep in mind, the concept is same. It means the doer, okay?
Yes.
But the problem you need to you need to stay away from that when we say ismul fa'il, it means now that noun can be in the sentence in different places because it is not actually fa'il. It is the noun which is having that characteristics. So this in next sentence when I'll give you example, it will be more clear. And next is ismul maf'ul. The same thing is for Ismul Fa'il and Ismul Maf'ul. Only the difference in the meaning that this noun will be having the meaning of Fa'il and this noun, it is having the meaning of Maf'ul or the feelings or the characteristics of Maf'ul. Okay. Now, next, I'll just read in front of Sighatul Mubaligha. Sighatul Mubaligha. Now, this Sighatul Mubaligha, actually, it is from Ismul Maf'ul, Ismul Fa'il. The next category is Sighatul Mubalagha. It means what will happen, you can say the intensity of the meaning will get increased. This is called Sighatul Mubalagha. And next is As-Sifatul Mushabbah. This is this is specific type of adjective. This Sifatul Mushabbah, this adjective is very special. It means anyone who is having this as-sifatul mushabba, it means it is fixed in him. It is the permanent with him. 1 minute. Okay, as-sifatul mushabba. Now, please remember Sighatul Mubalagha and as-sifatul mushabba. These both, they are having these all are having specific weights. Ismul Fa'il and Ismul Maf'ul, we'll see today. They have very simple weight, only one. For Ismul Fa'il, there's only one weight, and for Ismul Maf'ul, there is also only one weight. In Thulathi Mazid, we'll see how they are dealing. But for Sighatul Mubalagha, they are having lots of weights, and I'll guide you from where you need to study it. Because it is actually a personal study. Because you got the idea, you can study in the book very easily, you can get the meaning. And As-Sifatul Mushabba, it is having mostly 5 or 6 weights. So if a noun coming on that weight, you need to examine that noun. So these all having the effects of meaning on the noun. Okay, next is Af'alu Tafzil, Ismu Tafzil. This is the same Ismu Tafzil. Okay, Aisha, you know about Ismu Tafzil?
Yeah.
Yeah, Diba, do you know?
No, sir, we have not done this. So
Okay, it is very simple. I'll just give you an idea. Like we have meaning Kabirun. Okay?
okay.
Kabirun is a noun. What does it mean, Diba?
So big.
Big. Just
Yes, sir.
make it to Akbaru. Superlative degree.
Okay.
Now, what does it mean?
Akbar, the biggest.
The biggest. Only this is Af'alu Tafzil.
Okay.
Like we say, Hasanun, Ahsanu.
Yes. So only one version it is having.
Only one. Jamilun, beautiful. Ajmalu, very beautiful. Only one. This is only Af'alu. Only Af'alu weight is there. And there are another Ismu Zaman. It means the name. It is a type of noun which refers to the time. And Ismul Makan, it is a noun which refers to the place. Ismul Ala, which refers to the instruments. For example, I'll give you simple example. Ismul Makan. Now Masjidun. What is? Masjidun. You already studied about Masjid, Shumaila Irfan, right? You know Masjid.
Yes. Yes, sir.
But today you will come to know, if we want to differentiate between the nouns, in which category it will go where? Place.
Ismul Makan.
Ismul Makan. It will be called Ismul Makan. Masjidun. Sometime Ismul Zaman and Ismul Makan, they can be common. Now there's certainly no example is coming in my mind about Ismul Makan, Ismul Zaman. Okay, we'll see.
Dahrun.
Yes? Huh?
Dahrun.
What?
Sir, I think Dahrun is a zamana like.
No, it is in the meaning, but they are from. Actually, remember, these
Yes, sir.
nouns should be driven. Okay?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we are going to focus on Ismul Fa'il and Ismul Maf'ul. And in next lecture, we'll study about why Ismul Fa'il and Ismul Maf'ul is very important according to the grammatical changes, because we need to study that. So, Ismul Fa'il wa Ismul Maf'ul. Now, we have type of verb, which you know, Sahih and Ghair Sahih, Mahmuz al-Fa, Mahmuz al-Ain, al-Muda'af, al-Mithal, al-Mithal, al-Ajwaf, and Mada I already added, and al-Wazn. Now the Wazn is what? Fa'il. So its Wazn is fixed. Fa'ilun in Thulathi. And Ismul Maf'ul, it is Maf'ulun. Very simple. One weight. Maf'ulun. Today we'll do some examples from one surah also. Now, we are going to do exercise. Aisha, please, before talking, raise your voice, okay?
Okay.
Aisha, please talk.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, but your friends should hear you.
Okay.
Okay. From Noon Sadra, if the weight is Fa'ilun, what it will be?
Nasirun.
Nasirun. And Shumaila, what will be the Ismul Maf'ul on the weight of Maf'ulun from the same root letter?
Yes, sir. Mansurun.
Mansurun. Now, if you observe what happened actually, only the effect what? Meaning. Nasir, we have same root letter, but the weight is changing the meaning. Nasirun, the person who helps, and Mansurun, the person who was helped. Actually, this maf'ul is actually same as passive, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Nasirun, Mansurun. Now Nasirun simply al-Mu'arraf bil-Lam and Nasir. This Mu'arraf bil-Lam is important only in, there are 2-3 points, otherwise very normal. Okay. Ghazala Yasmin, Hamza Mim Ra. Can you make Ismul Fa'il and Ismul Maf'ul?
Yes, sir. It will be Amirun and Ma'murun.
Ma'murun. Now even you can go through the chart. Nasirun, Nasirani, Nasiruna, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, these things, this chart, what we done? We done in the beginning. But at that
Yes.
time, this explanation cannot be given. Because this kind of explanation will confuse the students. That's why students, they avoid studying Arabic language. Now it is the time you can even easily you can grab it. Okay, Nasirun, Nasirani, Nasiruna, Nasiran, Nasirin, Nasur, Nasirun, Mansurun, Mansuran, Mansurin. Now this the same chart will work, which we studied in, I think, lecture 3 and 4. Okay. Amirun, Ma'murun. Good. Sin, Hamza, Lam. Shumaila.
Sa'ilun. Mas'ulun.
Mas'ulun. Sa'ilun, Mas'ulun. Qaf, Ra, Hamza. Sana, Afzal.
Yes, sir. Qaf, Ra, Hamza, Qariun.
Qari'un and Ismul Maf'ul.
Al-Qariyu.
No, this is
With
not Ismul Maf'ul.
sorry, okay. Mal, Maful, Maf'ulun. Makhru'un.
Yes, Maqru'un. Very good. The thing which is read, Maqru'un. Qari'un, who is reading. Okay, Qari'un,
Yes,
Maqru'un.
sir.
Good. Meme, Ra, Ra. Now, what will happen actually with the meme? And please, Sana, I think at your side there is some noise.
Yes, sir. Sorry. There is a disturbance.
Okay, meme, Ra, Ra. Now, meme, Ra, Ra, it is something special. Now, if we put on the weight of Fa'ilun, it will be Marirun. 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 Now we need to merge it because we understood the qawaid of the laws of muda'af. It will be marun. Marun. Simply marun. Okay. Now mim rara ismul maf'ul. Aisha, what it will be?
I think it will be Mawrur something. Mawrurun.
Maf'ulun. Now this is what?
Maf'ulun.
Maf'ulun. Now we'll put mar,
Oh,
fa and no, mum, meme and meme. Okay. Right?
okay.
Mum and ra at the place of ain. Mum. We have dhamma. Mamrurun. Mamrurun. Okay.
Okay.
Mamrurun. Got Aisha?
Yeah.
Why your voice is not coming today? What happened to your voice? It's too cold there?
No, I think it's because it's early morning.
It's
I don't
early morning. What is the time there?
It's gonna be 5:30.
5:30. Oh, mashallah. When the sun rises?
At 7 something.
7 something. Okay, 7 something. Yes, I felt this time in these kind of timings in where? In Spain. Yeah, in the Spain, the sun was rising about nearby 7:50. Yeah, I was surprised. And I was praying Fajr, I think 7:20 or 7:10 like that. Or between 6:30 and 7. So I was, it was very abnormal for me to deal with it. Because
Yeah.
we experience at 8 o'clock, the sun is highly rising in even Pakistan and even Arab. Okay. So Marun and Mamrurun. Good. Now we'll move to the next one. Waw Ain Dal. Diba Farid.
Yes, sir. Wa'idun, maw'udun.
Maw'udun. Have you ever heard a name Maw'ud?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now Wa'idun, who is promising, right?
Yes.
And Maw'udun, what is promised? The passive. What the thing promised? Yawmul Maw'ud. The day which is promised. So Diba, tell me,
Yes, sir.
what we are studying today is giving you something about meaning effects.
Yes, sir. I can understand.
This all what we are studying now, it is specifically, it is affecting to the meanings, to understanding of meaning. Fa'ilun, wa'idun, the guy who promises. Okay. Now next we'll move to ya, nun, ain, yani'un. Yani'un. When the fruit gets ready on the tree, it is called yani'un. Al-yani'. Now, who will make the maf'ul from yani?
Mawnu'un.
Huh? No, on
Sir,
at the place of fa, you have ya. Okay.
Mawnu'un. Yes.
And place of ain, you have noon. Okay. And lam, you have ain. Now, what is there? Maynun.
Maynu'un. Yes.
Okay, it is not in Quran. Just to know how we have to deal with these kind of delicate letters like ya and waw. Okay, kaf, hamza, lam. What it will be, Aisha?
قائل.
Ta'ilun. And what will be the maf'ul?
مقول.
Maqulun. Okay. And ba, hamza, ain, bayi'un.
مبيع.
What it will be if you put on maf'ul?
Will it be مبيع?
Actually, here what will happen? Now we have ba and we have ya, right? Now we need to drop waw because this ya, waw and ya cannot adjust, and because ya is already having kasra. It will be mabi'un, the thing which is being sold. Mabi'un. Bayi'un, mabi'un. Now this we are facing in Quran, like dal, ain, waw. It is called ismul manqus. Now it was actually da'ivun. Okay? Da'ivun. Waw is simply dropped. It became da'in. Now, when you will make mu'arrab bil lam, it will become ad-da'i. This waw is converted to ya because we have kasra. Ad-da'i. And
Okay.
same is with banin, albani, the guy who constructs, banin and albani. This is file, maf'ul, we already done with it. Now, there is one thing just I want to show. Now, da'in, raf'un, nasbun, da'in, and jarrun, da'in. No change. Musanna, it is da'iyani, da'iyani, da'iyani. And jam'un, da'una. Actually, if you go normally, it is da'iyuna. It was actually da'ivuna. Da'ivuna. Now what happened? Because we have two waw, we need to drop one. So we'll drop for what? For the root letter. So it became da'una. Da'una, da'ina, da'ina. Now next we want to use al. Now da'in, if you want to use al with it, it will be a da'i. And nasbin also a da'i, and jar is also a da'i. Only we will come to know from the place in the sentence that it is marfu, mansub or majroor. Now we know because of the positions, we can easily get it. Okay, if we move to the next now. Diba, can you read the sentence?
Yes, sir. ظلم الظالم مظلوما مظلوما.
ظلم الظالم المظلوم. How you will translate it?
The ظالم, the
Diba, I
wrong,
cannot listen you.
sir, the wrongdoer did wrong with the sir. What is the
Difficult?
English of wicked ones?
No problem. Your English is better than me. Shumaila Irfan, how you will translate?
Sorry, यहाँ अजान हो रही है, I'm sorry.
Chalo.
Can I translate? The oppressor.
Anyone else can translate? Nahid Iftikhar?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum salam.
Sir, cruel man put
What?
wicked man cruel on a man.
What happened to you, all of students?
Can I try?
Okay, zalama zalimul mazluma. What is zulm? Zulm is oppressing someone. A zalim, who is oppressor? Okay. Al mazlum, who is being oppressed? Now, a zalim, which type of noun, Diba?
Sir, ismul file.
Ismul file. Good. This is ismul file. Okay. And what is the position of this noun in sentence?
Sir, file. It is
File.
marfu.
Good. It is the position of noun is file. And al-mazluma, what is the type of noun?
It is maf'ul.
Ismul maf'ul. It is the
Ismul
type.
maf'ul.
Remember,
Yes,
the
the type.
type and position is different.
Okay, sir.
So what is the type?
Ismul maf'ul.
Ismul maf'ul. Okay, ismul maf'ul. And what is the position?
Sir, maf'ul.
Maf'ul. It is the position. Okay. Now file, because it is marfu, and maf'ul because mansub. And the type is ismul file and ismul maf'ul. And the translation is the oppressor oppress the one who was being oppressed. Okay. Now we'll just do something in the sentence. What happened, Diba? Can you observe?
Yes, sir. So maf'ul came and at the place of file, and file came at the place of maf'ul.
What actually I wanted to tell you in this sentence? What you got?
Sir, this madlumu, it is at the place of ismul maf'ul. It came at the place of file, I think, sir.
Very good. That's what I wanted to show you. That ismul file and ismul maf'ul, this is actually related to the meaning, not in the position of sentence. Position of sentence is file and maf'ul. It can be anything. But when we want to characterize the type of noun, then we need to focus. Now, al-mazlum is actually ismul maf'ul, and now it is in the place of file.
Correct.
And ismul file, it is in the place of maf'ul, because how we are now file and maf'ul, we will only we will recognize from what? From i'rab, not from the type. I'rab, this i'rab will tell what is file and maf'ul. Ism can be anywhere. The guy who is being oppressed, he also can oppress someone. Okay, I hope it will, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for you. Okay. Now, from Thulasi Mazid, how we extract Ismul File and Ismul Maf'ul. This is the point now we need to focus. Okay. We have how many abwab, Diba?
8, sir. 8.
If'al, Taf'il,
Yes, sir.
Mufa'ala, Tafa'ul, Ifti'al, Infi'al, Tafa'ul, Istif'al. Okay. Every
Yes, sir.
verb have different weight. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
But how we will do it? Very simple and very easy. cross the mazi. Mazi is not required. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Forget it. Now, come to mudare. What we'll do? Simple thing for ismul fa'il and ismul maf'ul. To make ismul fa'il from yukrimu, you need to do what? You need to remove the ya. Okay? Put one meme. You're getting Dima?
Yes, sir.
Meme with dhamma. Okay? Keep the rest of things same.
Yes.
And put last tanween. What happened?
Mukrimun.
Mukrimun. Now make ismul fa'il Diba next for the next.
Yes, sir. Mukarrimu. So it will be
Mukarrimun. Tanween. Why you are
Mukarrimun.
forgetting?
Yes, sir. Mukarrimun.
Mukarrimun. Okay, good. And Aisha, next one.
Yusa'idu. So it will be Musa'idun.
Very good. Musa'idun. Nahid Iftikhar. Next.
تقبل يتقبل متقبل.
Mutaqabbilun. Yeah, very good. You made it automatically, but one thing I forget to tell. Before this last letter, you need to keep kasra. Where there is kasra, it's okay. Where there will be no kasra, you have to give kasra.
Yes,
Okay?
yes, sir.
Mutaqabbilun. Mutaqabbilun.
متقبل.
You already read this amalan mutaqabbala and mutaqabbilun and mutaqabbalun. We'll see how it goes. Mutaqabbilun. Okay. Ghazala Yasmin. Ya'tarifu.
Mu'tarifun.
Mu'tarifun. Very good. Mu'tarifun. Okay. Yansarifu. Aisha.
Munsarifun.
Very good. Munsarifun. Munsarifun. Yatanafasu. Diba.
Mutadafisun.
Mutanafisun. Mutanafisun. Okay, good. MashaAllah. Yastahzi'u. Aisha.
Mustahzi'un.
Mustahzi'un. Very good. Mustahzi'un. Okay, this we already completed. Now, if we want to make ismul maf'ul, it is very, very, very simple. You need to do only one change. Only one change. Nothing to do more. Before the last letter, just make fatha. Okay? Aisha, what it will be?
Mukramun.
Mukramun. Diba, next.
Yes, sir. Mukarramun.
Mukarramun. Nahid, next.
مساعد.
Musa'adun. Musa'adun. Is there any alif after ain? Musa'adun.
مساعد.
Okay. Ghazala, next.
Mutaqabbalun.
Mutaqabbalun. That's what we pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an, rizqan tayyiban, amalan mutaqabbalan. Mutaqabbalan. Ismul maf'ul. Mean the act which is accepted. And Allah will be mutaqabbal or mutaqabbil? Diba.
Mutaqabbil.
Mutaqabbal.
Allah will be mutaqabbil. Because Allah, Ismul Jalala, will say add Ismul Fa'il because Allah is who is accepting. Allah will be mutaqabbilun and our act will be mutaqabbalun. Now, for example, Diba is helping Ghazala. We will say Diba is musa'idatun and Ghazala is musa'adatun. Who is being helped? Now you got it?
Yes, sir.
This is how we make difference. Mu'tarifun. Now what will be the ismul maf'ul, Aisha?
Mu'tarafun.
Mu'tarafun. Good. And what will be the munsarifun, Diba?
Munsorofun.
What will be the maf'ula, ismul maf'ul mutanafisun?
Mutanafasun.
Good. Mustahzi'un. And what will be the ismul maf'ul Nahid Akhtar, Iftikhar?
Mustahzaun.
Mustahza'un. I hope you got it. Now, Surah Shu'ara is being filled by these nouns. Okay, we'll practice there and we'll try to see how we'll differentiate. Inshallah. Now, can someone tell me Al-Mubin? It is Ismul Fa'il or Ismul Maf'ul? The root letter is Ba, Waw, and Noon. I will tell you the chapter also. If Alun. Now, can someone tell me? Aisha, you please tell.
It is Ismul Fa'il.
Okay, Aisha was asked. Okay, no problem. It is
Ismul Fa'il.
Ismul Fa'il. Why? How it became? Actually, there is some delicate letter. So we'll say Abana, Madi, Yubinu, Mudare. Okay?
Okay.
Yubinu. Now, Yubinu, we want to make Ismul Fa'il. How will do, Aisha?
So we add meme in the beginning.
Yeah, we'll drop ya, we'll add meme.
Yeah.
Mubinun. And Ismul Maf'ul will be Mubanun.
Okay, Muban.
Because ya will get fatha and it will be converted to alif. So this is Ismul Fa'il. Now,
Ismul Fa'il.
see, this is Ismul Fa'il. And remember, keep in mind, this Ismul Fa'il and Ismul Maf'ul, mostly they will be adjectives. Okay? Mostly they will be in
Adjectives.
You see now in this Murakkab, Al-Kitab al-Mubin, this is what?
Yeah.
Murakkab? Which Murakkab?
Oh, Al-Kitab al-Mubin, Murakkab.
Tawsifi.
Aisha, what happened? It's too early, I think, for you. Okay,
Murakkab
Aisha.
Tawsifi.
Next, Aisha. What is that? Al-Kitab al-Mubin. Which Murakkab?
Murakkab Tawsifi.
What?
Tawsifi.
Tawsifi. Murakkab Tawsifi. Okay, I asked the question to next Aisha. She put down her hand. Good.
Oh.
Why like that?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. So Al-Kitab al-Mubin, Murakkab Tawsifi. Al-Kitab, what Al-Kitab? It is Mawsuf and Al-Mubin Sifa. Now, I just am asking an extra question, which is not related to the topic. Al-Kitabi Majroor. Diva, why it is Majroor?
Sir, because it is Mudaf ilay for
It is
ayat.
Mudaf ilay. And what is Mudaf?
Sir, ayatu.
Very good. So what is the Mubtada in the sentence?
Sir, tilka. Tilka.
Sana Afzal, you have a continuous noise from your side.
Tilka is
Sir.
Mubtada.
Tilka is Mubtada. Ayatul Kitab al-Mubin is complete what?
It is khabar.
It
is
is
khabar, sir.
khabar. Good. You all can do now whatever, even this al-Mubin, today you come to know what type of noun. But even before you know why it is majroor, what is the status in the sentence. So al-Kitab, it is the type of noun, what? Ismu Zat. It is affixed, it's not derived. Okay. Tilka what? Ismul Ishara. Now, ayatun. Ayatun. This ayatun is singular or plural?
Plural.
What?
Plural.
Plural. If it is plural, why tilka is there?
So to give importance.
To give importance or anything else?
Oh,
Emphasis.
There are
no,
two
because-
points here. See, one is what you are saying is because tilka is for near or for far?
For far.
For far. Okay. This is the one thing.
Yes.
This is for importance. But why it is singular? Ayat is plural.
Sir, sir, may
For
I
what?
answer you?
Jam'u ghair aqil. When there is jam'u ghair aqil, the ishara will be wahid muannas. Got it?
Yes.
Shumaila and Ghazala, why you are muting yourself again and again?
Sir, there was a zan
Okay,
call for prayer.
now tell me, Ghazala, Bakhi'un, which type of noun?
Sir, ismul fa'il.
Very good. Ismul fa'il. Now, la'allaka bakhi'un. Now, explain me the grammar of la'allaka bakhi'un.
Okay, sir, Allah is sister of Anna.
Good.
Harf mushabba bil fail. And so ka is the ismu of Allah, and bakhi'un will be khabaru la Allah.
Very good. Excellent. Now, the question is there. It will be rarely in Quran, not too much, but you need to know it. So note down today. Keep in your mind. Ismul fa'il. After ismul fa'il, if you find a noun or murakkab like this, mansoob. Aisha, Diba, Nahid, Ghazala, are you listening? It's very important point.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ismul fa'il. After ismul fa'il, you find any noun mansoob. It is actually maf'ul of ismul fa'il. You got it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Because ismul fa'il acts as a verb also. Okay?
Yes, sir.
But you will observe it is coming in very few places in Quran and not vastly used. But if you find this, because now you can get confused that la'alla, now kaf is small, la'alla bakhiyun khabar, then why nafsaka is mansoob? Yes, you can get confused
Yes.
Yes.
because you don't have
Yes.
answer why it is mansoob. Until you don't know that bakhiyun ismul fa'il can work as a fa'il, fi'l, verb. Okay. Yakunu mu'minina. Now, mu'minin, which type of noun? Ismul fa'il or ismul maf'ul? Diba Farid.
Sir, it is ismul fa'il.
Ismul fa'il. Very good. Now, which chapter?
Bab fi'al.
Bab if'al. Amana yu'minu. Hamza mim
Yeah.
noon. Now, it is
Yes.
mansoob or majroor?
Sir, this is mansoob.
This is mansoob. Why it is mansoob?
Yakunu. So because it is maf'ul for yakunu.
No. You
No.
forget. Ghazala, why it is mansoob?
Sir, it is khabar of yakunu.
Very good. Diba, you
Yes.
got it. Kana yakunu. They don't have fa'il and maf'ul. They have ismu kana and khabaru kana. Khabaru kana always mansoob. Ismu kana marfu. Now ismu kana in yakunu, it is there hum.
Yes.
And mu'minin, it is khabaru kana mansoob. Now you can see ismul fa'il is in mansoob condition, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. May Allah open your hearts. Next ayah. إن نشأ ننزل عليهم من السماء آية فظلت أعناقهم لها خاضعين. Now خاضعين, what type of noun, Nahid?
Ismul file, sir.
Ismul fa'il. On which weight?
Uh, kha, is af'al.
Huh?
Af'al.
No. Okay. Ghazala, on which weight?
Sir, it is ismul fa'il.
Yes, it is ismul fa'il. The answer of Naid was correct. But on which weight?
Sir, it is sulasi.
It is Sulasi. Khadi'un.
Khada'a.
On the weight of
Khada'a.
fa'ilun.
Fa'ilun. Yes, sir.
See, Nahid, from Sulasi
Yes.
Mazid, you will find meme always. Or you just put a hit and trial method. Got it or not got it, we'll see. Nahid Iftikhar.
Yes, sir, I'm listening.
So you just use hit and trial method?
No, sir. Sir, khadi'un is singular form.
Okay, you need to tell on the singular form. Forget khadi'ina. What you will see? You will see khadi'ina. It is jama. Now you need to forget this ya noon and Focus on the first four. Khadi'un. You need to extract out. Then you will tell what is the weight. We need to get on the singular. Then we'll see what. Okay. Khadi'ina. Next we'll move to وَمَا يَأْتِيهِم مِّن ذِكْرٍ مِّنَ الرَّحْمَنِ مُحْدَثٍ إِلَّا كَانُوا عَنْهُ مُعْرِضِينَ. Okay. Muhdathin. Tell me, Shumaila Irfan. Muhdathin. Which type of
Sir,
noun?
it is ismul maf'ul.
Very good. Ismul maf'ul. From which chapter?
Sir, ismul bab if'al.
Bab if'al. Very good. Ahdasa yuhdithu. Muhdithun. Muhdathun. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. Illa kanu anhu mu'ridina. Okay. Diba, mu'ridina. Which chapter and what type of noun?
Yes, Mu'ridina is a ismul file.
Ismul fa'il.
Yes, sir. From chapter Bab If'al.
If'al.
A'rada
Very good. A'rada yu'ridu mu'ridun. Now,
Yes, sir.
Diba, same question to you. Why it is mansoob? First, I should
Sir, it
ask
is-
you mansoob, but okay, I'm telling you it is mansoob. Why?
Yes, sir, because it is Khabru Kanu.
It is
Khabru
khabaru
Kanu.
kana. Very good. It is khabaru kana. Now, muhdathin is majroor. I'll tell you why it is majroor. Actually, it is the sifa of zikrin. Is delayed. وَمَا يَأْتِيهِم مِّن ذِكْرٍ مِّنَ الرَّحْمَنِ مُحْدَثٍ. And this min ar-Rahmani, it is also sifa of zikr. Always remember another point. After nakira ism, if you find a jar majroor in the verbal sentence, you will see it as sifa. Okay?
Okay, sir.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
I'm tired of talking or you are tired of listening.
No, sir. Correct.
Okay. Next. فَقَدْ كَذَّبُوا فَسَيَأْتِيهِمْ أَنْبَاءُ مَا كَانُوا بِهِ يَسْتَهْزِئُونَ. There is no noun. Next we'll see أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا إِلَى الْأَرْضِ كَمْ أَنبَتْنَا فِيهَا مِنْ كُلِّ زَوْجٍ كَرِيمٍ. There is no noun. Mu'minin, it is the same one we already learned. Next, now, if just for your, this Kareem is from the next two types of noun. This Rahim is also from next two types. This we need to figure out. I will tell you how to figure out in next lecture. إِذْ نَادَى رَبُّكَ مُوسَى أَنِ ائْتِ الْقَوْمَ الظَّالِمِينَ. Okay, al-Zalimin, which type of noun, Diba?
Ismul file.
Very good. Ismul fa'il. From Sulasi or Mazidun Fi?
Sir, from Sulasi. Bab
Good.
Zawad. Zalama Yadilimu.
Very good. Okay. Mustami'un, which type of noun, Aisha Dania?
مستمعون اسم المفعول.
Okay, no. See,
No?
Ismul Maf'ul, just put this waw noon aside. Before the last letter, there should be fatha for Ismul Maf'ul. It is kasra.
Okay. اسم الفاعل.
Ismul Fa'il. Okay, what is the chapter?
استمع يستمع. It's باب الفعل.
Babe Ifti'al.
الفعل, yeah. استمع يستمع.
Okay. Just you need to get Seen, Meme, Ain is the root letter. Now see, Ta is only extra in Bab Ifti'al. Istama'a yastami'u. Okay. Kafirin. Which noun, Shumaila Irfan?
Sir, ismul fa'il.
Very
From
good.
Sulasi.
From Mazidun Fi or Sulasi?
From Sulasi.
Dallin. From where, Ghazala Yasmin? Which type of noun?
Sir, it is ismul file
From Mazid or Sulasi?
from Sulasi.
Very good. It was actually Dalilun. Okay.
Dolin.
So it
Manqus.
converted,
Isme manqus.
merged and became Dalun. And Daluna, Dalina, Dalina. Mursaleen. Al-Mursaleen. Diba, which type of noun?
Sir, it is Ismu Maf'ul.
It is Ismul Maf'ul. Diba,
Yes,
I
sir.
just,
Sir, Mursaleen.
okay, right, very good. Good.
The scene is
Mursalun,
having fatha.
huh?
Yes, sir. The scene is having fatha, so
Yeah, very good. I actually, I was seeing to the lam. Very good, excellent. I apologize for being
no, sir.
keeping you on mistake. Okay, Mursa. This is
Yes.
having fatha. Mursalun. Which chapter?
The bab if'al. Arsala yursilu.
Very good. Now next. Okay. Muqinin. Which type of noun? Sorry, Nahid Iftikhar. Please tell me the correct now.
Bab Af'al. Mukinin.
Awkana yuqinu bab if'al. Which type?
Al.
If ismul fa'il or ismul maf'ul?
Maf'ul.
Ismul fa'il. Muqinun. See,
Mu-
before the last letter you have kasra. It is the symbol of ismul fa'il.
Okay.
Sister Nahid Iftikhar, are you just using hit and trial method?
No, sir.
No problem. It will come by the practice, inshallah. Okay. Now, in next ayah. Majnoon. Which type of noun? Ghazala Yasmin.
Uh, Majnoon. So it is, meme is having fatha.
Yes.
So,
So, what's the problem?
Majnoon. Okay, so it will be Ismul Maf'ul from
Yes.
Sulasi.
Ismul maf'ul from Sulasi. Maf'ulun. Majnoonun. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This lam is what type of lam?
Lame Muzahlaka for
Very good.
emphasis.
Now, al-mashriq. It is which type of noun from the 8 which we studied?
Place.
Yes, al-maghrib.
It is again Ismul Zaman.
Actually, it is common
Makan,
because you
makan.
see, it is a place and
Yes.
time both.
Both.
When the sun rises, okay, the place of rising, a time of rising, right?
Yes, sir.
What is mashriq? Shuruq. It means the when lights get starting. It is telling the time also that now the sun is rising. It is telling the time also. Because you see, mashriq, the time is different in the world. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Like sunrise in Canada now is different. In Qatar is different. But the place
Yes,
is
sir.
same mashriq. Time is different. It means this mashriq and maghrib. It is for the place and for the time, both. As I told you, ismul zaman and ismul makan, sometimes they come as common also. This
Yes.
is one of the example. Okay, next word we'll see masjuneen. Aisha Dania.
It's Ismul Maf'ul.
It was ismul maf'ul. What will be the wahid?
Masjunun.
Very good. Masjunun. Sulasi or mazidun fi?
I think it's Mazidun fi.
No, Aisha. Seen, Jeem, Noon. Masjunun, maf'ulun, thulasi.
Okay.
When the time of Fajr prayer?
Right now.
Right now.
Yeah.
So you want to go?
No, it's fine. There's still a lot of time for sunrise.
Okay. Mubin. Which type of noun, Diba?
Sir, ismul fa'il.
As-Sadiqeen, Ghazala. What type of noun?
Ismul File, sir.
Ismul fa'il. Nahid Iftikhar, Mubinun. What type of noun?
Mubinun Ismul Fa'il.
Nahid Iftikhar.
Ismul Fa'il.
Very good.
Mubin.
Ismul fa'il. Nazirina. What type of noun, Ghazala?
Ismul File.
Ismul fa'il. Sulasi or mazidun fi?
Sulasi.
Sahirun. Shumaila Irfan. What type of noun?
Ismul file.
Very good.
Sulasi.
Hashirina. What type of noun? Diba Farid.
Sir, this is Ismul Fa'il.
This is Ismul Fa'il. I think after this practice, you will pick any noun in Quran. Am I right, Diba? You should,
Yes, sir, inshallah. Inshallah. Yes, sir.
because I think this is a lot of practice, right?
Yes, Alhamdulillah, sir.
Ma'lumun. What type of noun, Aisha?
معلوم مفعول اسم المفعول.
Ismul maf'ul. Good. Miqatun. This is ismul makan, place. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Mujtami'una. What type of noun, Shumaila Irfan?
So it is Ismul File from Mazid, from Mazid.
Okay. If I want to ask you the chapter, how you will tell me?
Okay, sir. اجتمع يجتمع اجتمع. So it is from Bab Ifal. No, Iftial.
Iftial. Good. This you can slide practice you can do by yourself also. Okay. Al-Ghalibina.
Yes,
What type of noun, Nahid Iftikhar?
اسم الفاعل
Ismul file from Sulasi or Mazidun fi?
ثلاثي
Sulasi. Good. Muqarrabina. What type of noun, Diba Farid?
Sir, Ismul Maf'ul.
Ismul maf'ul. Good. Mulquna. It is what type of noun, Shumaila Irfan?
ملقون. Ismul Maf'ul.
It is actually Ismul
No.
file. Okay. From
Ismul
from
Fa'il.
Bab If'al Alqa Yulqi. To put down.
Yulqi.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Alqa
Yes, sir.
Yulqi.
Yulqi.
Now what happened actually? Yulqi. Okay. It was Mulqiyuna. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mulqiyuna.
Qiyuna.
Now we have two delicate letters, waw and ya. And in our grammar, we need to drop one. We drop ya.
Yeah.
And
Yes, sir.
now waw, it need dhamma. We put mulquna. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then Ismul Maf'ul will be Mulquna.
It will be mulqiyuna, mulqayuna,
Mulqayuna.
mulqayuna.
Okay, thanks.
So it will become mulqauna, mulqaun. What is
Yes, sir.
being
Mulqun.
dropped or put? Mulqaun, mulqaun.
Yes, sir.
Mulqiyuna. It is actually jam'un. We need to put one mulqiyun. Okay. We'll write it. Mulqiyun. Okay. It will be mulqin. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mulqin. Ismu manqus. Ya totally dropped.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next we have Sajidina. What type of noun? Aisha?
Me. Okay.
Yes.
ساجدين فاعل اسم الفاعل.
Okay. Ajma'ina. No, it is not. This is something different. Ajma'un. Munqalibuna. Diba.
Sir, this is Ismul Fa'il.
Ismul munqalibun. Ismul fa'il. Good. From which chapter?
Sir, Bab Infial.
Very good. Infial.
Inqalaba yanqalibu.
Muttaba'una. What type of noun, Ghazala?
متبعون. This is Ismul Maf'ul
Ismul
of
maf'ul.
Sulasi.
Good.
Sorry, of Mazid fi.
Mazid fi. Bab ifti'al. Ittaba'a yattabi'u muttabi'un muttaba'un. Ghaizuna. What type of noun, Shumaila?
Sir, Ismul File.
Haziruna. What type of noun?
It is Ismul File.
Good. Mushriqina. Mushriqina. What type of noun, Aisha?
اسم الفاعل.
Ismul fa'il. Mushriqun. Ashraka yushriku mushrikun. Chapter If'al. Okay, Alhamdulillah. I think it is enough. Now you know how to make remaining practice. I think your class teacher is here or no? Sabiha, are you there?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
she
sir,
is there.
Sister Sabiha?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I'm there.
assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Sister Sabiha, remaining this surah, can you complete with them in exercise?
Inshallah, sir. I'll do it.
Yeah, and try to ask them about the questions of verbs. What type of verb? Mudare, Madi, Amr. Okay, try
Yes.
to do a complete exercise. So just they can recall what they learned.
Inshallah, sir.
Even in so I hope they learned everything now. Just they need slight practice.
Okay, sir.
Jazakillahu khaira, sister. Okay, ji, mashallah, barakallahu fikunna. And please remember me in your prayers. I tried to give you some practice also that how to recognize, and I hope it will be more easy with Sister Sabiha also. So, jazakumullahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.